we're going to put a door in the cupboard under the stairs, so the frame and the architrave was already in. So I'm just going to cut an MDF door, concealed hinges, and make it all look pretty.
Yeah, well that door, I know this house well, and that door has been waiting to be done for a long time.
Oh, is it? Right, okay.
Yeah, I think I did the rest of it, but the door was... I couldn't work out what to do with the door. That was that was the thing. I thought, well, how do you make a door that shape?
I'm not sure yet either. Marks the door off the frame. So Roger, what I'm going to do here is we're going to cut it off square. The reason being, when you do that, if you just watch, when this pivots and hinges, right, when it's up there, you have to give it quite a lot of leading edge on this back, and in the front it can end up being a bit of a feather edge. So can you see that it's hitting? See, I actually want it to go up a little bit higher. When I'm opening that, see that back edge is hitting the frame.
Yeah.
So by cutting it square, and then we're going to piece a little bit in there just to blend in with everything else and make it look nice. So yeah, I always like to cut them off square.
So we're hinging from the big side, are we?
Hinging it from there.
Yeah.
But as you can see, like, it's hitting. I can't.
Yeah.
Which I see quite a few people on, on social medias. It looks going to a point, but it's always a bit with MDF. It's a bit flaky. Let's 20mm. We've got 18mm for the door. Cut the mil clearance. I'm going to do the full width on that one. So we're looking at about 112 there. 113. $39 degrees. No.
Why are you taking those out, Dan?
I don't like these screws. You have to drill quite a big hole and put them in, so I prefer just putting like 1.8 inch straight through there. So then I've only got to drill a small pilot hole. I never like it.
They do those for chipboard, really, don't they?
Yeah, if I'm doing MDF, just the same as that one really, I'm just going to put a nice little screw in there and throw these away. That's it. So I'm just going to offer this door up. Yeah, so we've got the centre there. Centre there. Centre there. How's this going to work? Right, I'm just going to give it a little bit of
An ease.
Yeah, a little ease up there. And then it's nearly there. A little bit better. I might actually put a nail through that with my nail gun.
Would.
Just to make sure.
I would, because it's bound to fall off and
well,
bound to.
Yeah.